1. Basic airport vocabulary and phrases. I am at the airport. My flight is at 10 a.m. Where is the check-in counter? I need to check in my luggage. Can I see your passport, please? Here is my passport. Where is my boarding gate? How much does my baggage weigh? Your flight is delayed. The flight is on time. 2. Check-in and boarding. I have a reservation. Can I check in online? How many bags can I check in? Is there a fee for extra luggage? Can I have a window seat? I prefer an aisle seat. Can I take this bag as carry-on? Your gate number is B12. What time is boarding? Please put your luggage on the scale. 3. Security check. Please remove your shoes. Put your laptop in the tray. Do I need to take off my jacket? Is this bag too big? You cannot bring liquids over 100 milliliters. Please empty your pockets. Step through the scanner. Do you have any sharp objects? Sorry, I forgot about my water bottle. You can take your bag now. 4. Immigration and customs. What is the purpose of your trip? I am here for a vacation. I am traveling for business. I will stay for 1 week. Where will you be staying? I will stay at a hotel. Do you have a return ticket? Yes, my flight is next Monday. Do you have anything to declare? No, I don't have anything to declare. 5. Finding your way. Where is baggage claim? How do I get to Terminal 3? Where is the nearest restroom? Is there a food court here? How long is the walk to my gate? Do I need to take a shuttle bus? Where can I find a taxi? Is there a hotel inside the airport? Where can I exchange money? Is there a duty-free shop nearby? 6. Delays and flight problems. My flight is delayed. How long is the delay? My flight was canceled. Can I book another flight? Is there another flight today? What happens if I miss my flight? My luggage is missing. Where is the lost and found? Can I get a refund? Who can I talk to about my flight? 7. Talking to airline staff. Excuse me, I need help. Can I change my seat? Is this the right line for check-in? Do I need to pay for extra baggage? What is the baggage allowance? Can you print my boarding pass? How early should I arrive at the airport? What is the gate number for my flight? Is the flight boarding now? Thank you for your help. 8. Announcements and signs. Flight 102 to London is now boarding. Please proceed to Gate 5. This is the final call for Flight 220. Your flight has been delayed due to weather. The security line is moving slowly. Please fasten your seatbelt. There is turbulence ahead. We will land in 20 minutes. Welcome to New York. Please remain seated. 9. Asking for information. Can I bring food on the plane? Where can I buy a SIM card? Is there free Wi-Fi here? How much is a luggage card? Where is the smoking area? Is there a pharmacy in the airport? What time does the duty-free shop open? Can I buy a metro ticket here? Is there a lounge I can use? Do you have flight updates? 10. Booking and ticket issues. I need to book a ticket. How much is a one-way ticket? Do you have any discounts? I need a ticket for tomorrow. Is this a direct flight? Do I need a visa? Can I cancel my ticket? What time is the next flight? Do you have a flight to Paris? Can I upgrade my seat? 11. Talking to other travelers. Are you traveling alone? Is this your first time here? Where are you going? How long is your flight? What time does your flight leave? Do you like flying? Are you excited about your trip? Have you been to this airport before? Do you know where Gate C8 is? Safe travels. 12. Asking for help at the airport. Excuse me, where's the check-in counter? Can you help me find my gate? I lost my boarding pass. What should I do? My luggage is too heavy. What can I do? Can I borrow a pen to fill out this form? I don't understand this announcement. Can you explain? Is there someone who speaks Spanish? I need assistance with my bags. How far is gate 22 from here? My phone battery is low. Where can I charge it? 13. Dealing with lost or delayed luggage. My bag is missing. Who can I talk to? I can't find my suitcase. This is not my luggage. My luggage is damaged. My bag did not arrive. How long will it take to find my luggage? Can I get a refund for my lost baggage? Where is the lost and found office? My luggage has a red tag. Does that mean anything? Can you check again? My bag should be here. 14. Customs and immigration. Do I need to fill out this form? Where do I show my passport? How long can I stay in this country? I am here for tourism. I am visiting family. I am here for work. I am a student. I will stay at my friend's house. I have a return ticket for next Friday. This is my first time visiting this country. 15. Buying food and drinks at the airport. Where can I buy some food? Do you have vegetarian options? Can I get a bottle of water? How much is a coffee? Do you accept credit cards? Can I have a sandwich, please? What time does this cafe close? Is there a restaurant near my gate? Do you have a menu in English? I'd like to order a salad. 16. Using airport facilities. Where is the nearest restroom? Is there a baby changing station? Can I leave my luggage in a locker? Where is the information desk? Is there a prayer room in this airport? Can I sleep at the airport overnight? Is there a shower facility here? Where can I rent a car? Can I use the airport lounge? Is there a place to rest while I wait? 17. Duty-free shopping. How much is this perfume? Do you have this in a smaller size? Can I buy this without a boarding pass? Is there a discount for travelers? Can I return this item if needed? Do I have to pay tax on this? What are the duty-free limits? Can I pay in euros? Do you have local souvenirs? Where is the nearest duty-free shop? 18. Finding transportation from the airport. Where is the taxi stand? How much is a taxi to the city center? Is there a bus to the train station? Where can I buy a metro ticket? Can I rent a car here? How long does it take to get to the hotel? Is there a shuttle service? Do I need to book a taxi in advance? Can I get an Uber from the airport? Where is the ride-sharing pickup point? 19. Inside the airplane. Excuse me, where's my seat? Can you help me put my bag in the overhead bin? Is this seat taken? Can I change my seat? Do you have a blanket? How long is the flight? When will we land? Can I have some water, please? Where is the restroom on the plane? What time do we arrive? 20. Understanding announcements. Your flight has been delayed. Boarding for Flight 320 will begin soon. Please proceed to Gate C4. This is the final boarding call for Flight 108. Your flight is now ready for boarding. Passengers in Group may first board now. Your gate has changed to A12. Please fasten your seatbelt. We are experiencing turbulence. Please remain seated until the plane stops. 21. Saying goodbye and arrival at destination. Have a safe flight. Enjoy your trip. I hope you have a great vacation. See you when you get back. Welcome to New York. Please follow the signs to passport control. Your luggage will arrive at Carousel 4. Thank you for flying with us. I need a taxi to my hotel. What is the best way to get to the city center? 22. Expressing problems and complaints. My seat is broken. The flight is too noisy. My tray table won't open. The air conditioning is too cold. The flight attendant is not responding. The Wi-Fi is not working. The food is not good. My luggage is still missing. I missed my flight. My baggage is damaged. 23. Talking to other passengers. Are you traveling alone? Is this your first time here? Where are you from? Do you like traveling? How long is your layover? What places do you recommend visiting? Do you prefer window or aisle seats? What airline do you usually fly with? Have you ever had a flight delay? Do you get nervous when flying? 24. Asking for special services. I need wheelchair assistance. Can I board early? I am traveling with a baby. Do you have meals for vegetarians? Can I get extra legroom? Is there a seat near the restroom? Do you provide pillows and blankets? Can I get a baby stroller at the gate? Do you have any discounts for seniors? Can I bring my pet on the plane? 25. Final phrases and common questions. Is my flight on time? Where is the nearest exit? Can I get a receipt for my ticket? How do I contact the airline? Can I change my ticket date? What time should I be at the airport? Do you accept online payments? How do I connect to airport Wi-Fi? Is there a customer service desk here? Thank you for your help.